Good morning to all, especially the staff of ASG Eye Hospital, Mysuru. My name is C. Nagaraj. I am retired from my service as ex-headmaster of DMS RIA Mysuru and Deputy Director of Public Schools, JSS Mahavidyapita, Mysuru. I am 85 years old. I would like to share happiness of visual experience after both eyes had cataract surgery in ASG hospital. Well, the moment we enter the hospital, you have the reception desk where these young ladies smile and greet you, and they will ask you to whom to be referred to or whom we have to meet. They do it with a smiling face, and there is no need, they won't grumble. I went to at least about half a dozen times to meet, and every time I get a smile and a greeting way to find out what I want. These are the two images I have selected to show my happiness and joy, because the first image where a lady is smiling, she is a doctor, Dr. Lucy Coveri. She is the one who performed cataract surgery on my both the eyes, left eye and the right eye. Left eye was operated on 28th of March and the right eye on 31st of March. And then the next one is Dr. Mahesh. He is also a surgeon. These two people, I would like to say young gentleman and lady, treat the patient as friends, not with a ego as big doctors. It shows the humility of these doctors, and you feel quite happy and friendly to express whatever you would like to do. And they patiently listen to me, and they then explain to me everything. I put a number of cross questions because I'm a biologist. They were able to give me very satisfactory answer. I really thank them for taking my case to do the cataract surgery. Again, here is a small team of two people. The one with the surgery suit or operation theatre suit in the blue to the right of you, that is Lucy, Dr. Lucy, who is a cataract specialist. And next to her with a coat and a white shirt is maybe a manager. I think her name is Kavya. She is the one who will take us to different places to help us out to sort out our problems. I thank Kavya also in this regard. This is just an image I took when Dr. Lucy was examining some old man like me. Probably what problems he has, I do not know. But in my case, I have gone through all those things. She examined me carefully and advised me cataract for both the eyes, which I have done it. And I am quite happy that today I can see things which I would never have seen. Example, on my table, a large number of spider webs were there. I never knew they were there. So like that, the visual experience today is very, very different when compared to about 1 month ago. I think people like me who are aged, which have got the cataract, maybe it is very nice to get the surgery made. Here is another young lady, I think it is Mamtaj, who explains what is the package, how much money we have to spend on the eye surgery and all these things. Since I am a biologist, I questioned her many questions which she was able to answer me with a smiling face, though there was some trouble sometimes in answering. However, she explained to me what are the glasses of the type I have to go. So I chose a type of the glass which suits my pocket, and I think I like to thank her also on this occasion. Again here, this young counselor is trying to explain to me what is cataract. I told her, yes, I know about the cataract. Can you tell me the size of the lens? She just laughed and said, sir, I do not know. That is the politeness of these people. If they do not know the answer for my questions, perhaps they would smilingly say, sorry, I do not know. That talks about the humility of the entire staff in this particular hospital. After 1 month of surgery, and I came for a checkup. On that day, Dr. Lucy was with me in discussing many things. I explained to her the visual experience. To cite an example, while driving the car 1 month ago, I was not able to recognize yellow light and the amber light of the motor vehicles. I could not look at the signals, especially traffic signals properly, though I was very clear. Today, even if half a kilometer long distance, I can see the red, the amber and the green and all the flashing of the side lights and the brake lights of the various cars, of various colors of the cars. All these things I was able to see. I was explaining to her. I could see the plant today in a different way than what I was looking at 1 month ago. About 40 years ago, when I was a biology teacher, I was explaining to children about many things which I could not see when I became 70 years old. Today, I am able to see the same thing. I could see a large number of cobwebs on my reading table. I could see little spiders crawling away here and there. On the leaf, I could see the stamens and the petals clearly. That means to say, I could enjoy the nature once again as I was doing it about 70 or 65 years ago. I was trying to explain and I was showing my gratitude by putting my hands. But she was so good, so kind, and she told me, sir, you are a senior person, don't do this. But I was able to explain to her, I am very grateful to her. So this is Dr. Lucy, who did surgery on my left and the right eye. When I questioned when should I come back, she smilingly said, please come after 6 months. And she explained to me, sometimes I may, or some people like me, old age people with diabetic, hypertension and all kinds of tablets we take for medication, we may get cloudiness in the lens and which they would be able to clean. I was just joking and laughing, and that is the nature of the doctor. I like that, to be more friendly with people like me, and that would certainly help the patient in a relaxed way to get answers for their own questions. I would like to thank Dr. Lucy for her friendly approach, and also I am very happy. She is highly knowledgeable, explained to me many things in a proper way because I am a biologist myself. She explained to me everything. Even while surgery going on, I was asking questions about retina and all. She was able to tell me, yes, I am trying to cut a small opening of 0.2 millimeters on the retina of the left eye, like that. So that is the nature of the doctor, was kind and able to explain and make me happy. So that is the happiness I was sharing with her.
ಈಗ ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ನೀರು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿ
Okay. What is the clear lens? Okay. What would be the size of the lens?
Sir, please don't do this. You are more than my father's age also. So.
Not that. See, thank you very much indeed. See, when you can see things, is not, even if you get 1,000 rupees or 1 lakh, you will not be happy. I mean, that's the happiness I have.
It's my honor, sir. Thank you.
Well, this is the hospital. I will not explain much of it. This video, if you can see the ambience and see the cleanliness and see how the people do. All these things you can see in this little video. Please watch it, understand yourself. I would like to place my thanks, my heartfelt thanks to Mamtaj, Kavya, Priya, Sushila, who are the helping hands to patients. They look at us, they look after us, and even sometimes supply small cups of cool drinks to drink so that we will be quite happy and stay in the hospital. I am really happy. I am sharing my happiness and joy with the entire staff and community of the ASG Eye Hospitals, Mysuru. I request them to continue the same type of service to any person who is at their hospital. I once again thank Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Lucy for their kindness in helping me to get my vision back, and my visual experience today is such that when you look at the sky in the night, I can see vivid colors, various changes which I would not have enjoyed about 1 month ago. Thank you, doctors. Thank you, everybody who helped me in this kind of a visual treat that you have given me after 85 years. Thank you.